What's up YouTube's PCSing here. I've got another iMac update video for you guys, which is kind of unfortunate, but you know, I shouldn't be having an iMac update right now because you know, I should have already gotten it fixed, but no. But anyway, just hopefully a quick video. But anyway, iMac update. So I am actually going to be sending it back to the repair people again. Alright, in fact, right after this video, well, not right after, let's see what time is it right now? It's 6:16, so maybe actually right after this video, yeah. I will probably after this video, maybe right after it, I will be packing it up, and because my family is up and we're going to be having dinner over at my grandma's house, and they are going to take it back up there for take number 2, okay? And hopefully the repair people will know that this NVIDIA GeForce 8800 GS failed again, and that they should not derp out again, and they should not put in the same one that they did before, even though I told them not to put that in. I'm pretty sure I even told them, don't put in another NVIDIA GeForce 8800 GS, because they do not last long enough. I really do not know why they doubted me on that, but they did. I mean, you know, I knew that for a fact, but whatever. Anyway, enough of that. Just really annoyed that that they did that, because, you know. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, just just so you know. So because of how short this video is, I figured I'd also include a demonstration, sort of a before and after type deal. Although the after is going to be its own video. I mean, I don't even know if I'll remember that I did this. We'll see. But yeah, I'm basically just going to boot it up and I'm going to do my best. I'm going to see if I can demonstrate what's wrong with it. I have actually caught it crashing on video once before, but that was at the end of a tail end of a really long video. So I'm just going to go and see if I can make it crash yet again. So here we go. I'm just going to go and boot it up, and we're going to rock and roll. I'm going to be using the magic trackpad. Let's do this. Okay, so it bongs. That's a good sign. I'm not putting in safe mode. My hands are off of the keyboard, as you can quite clearly tell. So, let me see. This thing shouldn't take too long to boot, but that screen looks a little crooked. Let me see if I can angle that a little bit. Oh, actually, I think I made it worse. Let's see, that way? Oh, that actually made it worse. That's about as good as I'm going to get for now. And actually, I could probably just do this and zoom in a little bit. Alright, so hopefully now you can see a little bit more detail. It's still booting up, if you can quite clearly tell. Alright, it's done. Or that part's done. So give it a little bit more time. Let's see. You shouldn't take that. Are you serious? Are you serious now? It's actually that bad? What the heck? Wow. I actually didn't know it was that bad. Holy cow. That was ridiculous. Like, it actually even rebooted itself. Hang on. Alright, so I'm gonna have to do this. Okay. Wow. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna actually try a safe boot now, just so I can show you that it does still work in safe mode, which y'all should know. I don't even know if I was gonna do that though, because that was a fairly instantaneous crash. So I'm thinking this time the graphics card is just completely dead. Like, it doesn't even try to work. It just, the computer, you know, powers it up, and the graphics card is just like, eh. It just, you know, doesn't even respond to the signal to turn on. Like, literally there is a sever in the circuitry of it. I don't even know. Alright, shift is being held down. So you might be able to see. I don't know if that was in frame or not. But let's see if this will work. That was actually, I have to say, that was actually really surprising. It's never just, I mean, even before I got this thing sent in, it just never, ever you know, crashed that fast. That was actually really shocking. I mean, like, it would if I didn't boot it from a cold boot, but that was the first time I turned it on today. I actually don't believe... I did turn it on yesterday, but only in the morning. Yeah, but as you can see, there's the safe mode bar. And actually, the safe boot takes a really long time. But I guess I'll sort of talk as it's loading up. Actually, that bar is going to go away here pretty soon, but that doesn't mean it's almost done. It actually has... I honestly don't know what that bar represents, because it just eventually disappears. Like, right about now. So, yeah, I don't know what the bar is actually showing, but, you know, anyway. So, what was I going to say? Like, yeah, I mean, usually what would happen before I took this thing into the repair shop, the last time, is I would turn it on from a cold start. It would load up perfectly fine. I could log in. Alright, and maybe the other thing is that I'm running Mountain Lion on it, but if you saw my Mountain Lion install video, I actually got it to boot up the first time on normal mode, and I actually was able to play around with it for like a good 10 minutes. In fact, maybe even like 12 minutes. So yeah, I was actually able to play around with it for quite a long time. But it was one of the things I did in Launchpad. I was trying to see if I could make a new folder in the Launchpad thing, and that's just when it went done. Actually, that was a really fast boot. Wow. That actually was really fast. I didn't realize it was that fast. Alright, anyway. That is besides the point. So, yeah. Alright, see, look, there, we got the login screen, alright? I'm gonna pop in here, log in, logged in. So yeah, I mean, it would, you know, from a cold start, like when the computer was physically cold to the touch, it would boot up like that, but I could use it for like 30 seconds to a minute. And maybe even on a good day, like 2 minutes. And then it would completely just, you know, crash. But it would crash really violently, like this. The colors would like strobe and it would flash and really weird. But, you know, I think that was actually, the graphics card was still trying to work. But it just was like a component in it just maybe overheated. And, you know, the circuitry just started to disconnect. I think actually that is a common problem with these cards. But this one, though, on the other hand... I think, literally, it's blue. It's something blue in it. Like, maybe there's, like, a fuse or something in it that just went, exploded. But I wanted to show you guys this, alright? This is why I absolutely despise safe mode. Let me see, I'm not going to open up Google Chrome. Although Google Chrome does take a really long time to load up, and you know what? Alright, I'm going to count how long it's going to take to open it. Ready? Actually, I'm going to open up never mind. Alright. Never mind. I'll just load up Safari. The reason why I don't want to load up Google Chrome is because my Facebook information will be presented to you, and I don't want you guys to see that at the mo. I do have a... Oh wow, that was a bad example. Whatever. Anyways, I can tell you from honestly, it takes way too long for these apps to open. But yeah, I don't even know. But like, yeah, I don't even know where I'm going with this. Wait, there we go. No, not hide. Quit. So yeah, but I wanted to show you guys this. I'm going to actually initiate the Launchpad command, okay? I'm going to do it with the Magic Trackpad. Alright, can you guys see this? I'm going to do this. Just like that. Now watch this. That is how you open up Launchpad. Now, if you notice, the dock is unresponsive down here. I'm hovering over the dock. It's not doing anything. Just watch. Alright, this is why safe mode sucks. This is why safe mode sucks. Just watch. This is going to be like... Really? Really now? Like, when I did this the first time in safe mode, I thought I'd broken the computer because it was just frozen. It was frozen for like a good 30 seconds, although I don't think it takes that long. And in fact, you kind of see these ghostings of the icons appearing. Like, yeah, I can actually see a ghost form of each icon. That's actually really weird. And let's see. Is it just going to immediately boom up, or is it going to, like, go through in waves? Because usually it just comes up in waves. But you might be able to see there's some just ghosts of the icons. I don't know. I looked at the camera. I couldn't see it from the quick look I got, but yeah. But I assure you it is loading. I can actually see ghost icons in the background, as I said. Alright. Now, I'm sure if you guys did it right now, like, do it right now, you would beat me, hands down. It would take like half of a second for it to load up on yours. This takes like a whole minute. Just keep watching. Either it's going to instantly come up or it's going to start coming up in waves. Hopefully it starts coming up in waves, because that just looks bizarre. Alright, come on now. This is actually any kind of annoying. Like, I should actually be... Oh, here it comes. You might be able to see it waving a little bit. Here it goes. There it goes. You see that? Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Yeah. I just clicked that folder. I don't think folders are that bad. Oh, I think I might have closed out of it. Oh, no I didn't. It's just slowly refreshing the page to, or the screen to get this working. Now this, for some reason, this time all the icons lit up in the same wave. I don't, and see, as you can, well, yeah, but when I click out of this, like, I think it's done loading. When I click out of this, let's see, did I click out of it? I think I have to actually click on the folder. Yeah. This happens. It's like, I don't even know how safe mode works. What the heck did I just do? The folder just got bigger. Oh, okay, I don't even know. I'm actually just going to hit escape. I'm just going to hit escape. I don't know if that's going to just close the folder or not. But yeah, as you can quite clearly tell, this thing is quite a bit messed up in safe mode. It's not fun to use. So, come on. Okay, that wave is going that way. Now it's not. It just looks really derped, as you can clearly tell. This is safe mode for you guys. It's being very safe, in my opinion. So, my parents are right outside my door. Alright, I'll be ready in a little bit. Oh, what it's actually doing is... I don't even know what it's doing. What? Yeah, it did. Sorry for the awkward silence. There's people right outside my door. It's honestly never been this slow. But I don't even know how safe mode works. I think actually the way safe mode works is that it somehow knows what the defective part is. Maybe this is like something for graphics problems. I don't know. But like, you know, I'm guessing in the way of the graphics card, like, it just completely ignores the graphics card. Like, it can tell the graphics card is messed up somehow. Jump cut there, sorry. I accidentally opened the address book in the launchpad. So really quickly, because I'm kind of have to turn this thing, in fact, well, I'll turn it off after this, just to give you guys something visual to see. What I was saying is that, I think the way that safe mode works is that it can, you know, in the case of the graphics card, you know, the graphics card is ignored, and every other part that's still good is used, you know, sort of to make a virtual graphics card, I guess, like, is actually running the graphical processes, you know, with the actual processor, and like it's actually processing everything that the GPU would process. I think. I mean, I'm not even really sure. Like, you know, I don't even know. That's just my thinking. Like, it's actually the VRAM is actually now the actual RAM, and it's just like that is your graphics card. Like, the computer itself is its own graphics card, which wouldn't be very effective because it's not optimized to be a graphics card. The computer was meant to work in conjunction with a graphics card. It wasn't meant to be a graphics card, if you know what I mean. Like, it's missing an entire component, and it's having to make up for that. So, I mean, I'm assuming maybe in the case of RAM, maybe if you put in safe mode, if you have faulty RAM, maybe it uses virtual memory. Like, it makes more, it just uses virtual memory, maybe with the you know, the video RAM, and, you know, maybe, you know, the video RAM and the swap area. I think that's what it's called in Ubuntu, I think. The swap area on the hard drive. So yeah, I mean, there you go. I mean, if it's faulty processor, I don't think safe mode's going to do you much good, but I don't know. Anyways, guys, maybe I don't even know what I'm talking about. I think that's how it works with the graphics card. So anyways, I'm going to go and shut this thing down, unplug it, and get it put away. So, yep. Thanks for watching, and be expecting the repair update afterwards. So thanks for watching.